Hi, we want to invite you to this year's Valentine's Run for Your Bling. It's the 6th year running and we're so happy about it because we've created this boutique race that's really very special. It's a great mix of running off-roads and on fast road courses. There's a beautiful wooded trail around lakes behind us here, but what's also special, we have a costume contest. Of course, we have a 5K and a 1 mile. We've got finisher medals for everybody, and the medals are really something special. We have a local bridge builder who actually custom makes these. They're not store-bought medals, they're not bought from metal companies. These are things that are made industrially, and they're just beautiful little works of art. Everyone's different. Of course, we have tech shirts. We've got, of course, police, cones. It's all a big-time official race. We've got Big Dog running, doing the finish line. It's really a fun, nice time. And Dennis Phillips, the weatherman from ABC Action News, he comes out, and he's actually the MC of the costume contest and starts off the races. It's really a fun way to spend Valentine's. We would love to have you out, so please register today, and thanks so much.